Okay.
But it involves a person who was kind of part of my high school basketball career, if you would, so to speak.
Okay.
And it involves a guy that was once a referee when I was playing high school basketball. And when I saw Mr. Saunier's photo in my timeline, I'm like, wait, hang on. That guy used to referee my high school?
I know him.
Yeah, I know him. What did he do? Let me tell you the story, okay?
Okay.
You know, we talk about Justin Bieber acting crazy.
Yeah.
We talk about Miley Cyrus, you know, taking provocative photos here and there. We talk about, you know, Chris Brown, pop, 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 whatever. Well, it's time for a good story, huh?
Mm-hmm. It is.
Well, check out this story. Gabe Saunier was once the custodian over at Port Barre Elementary School, okay?
Uh-huh.
And back in the day, the principal told him, you need to go back to school.
Yeah.
Rather than picking up papers that kids throw on the ground at school, I want you one day to be grading the papers that they're throwing away.
Okay.
So Mr. Saunier decided to go back to school and got his bachelor's degree
Uh-huh.
and became a teacher at Port Barre Elementary School. So he went from custodian
It's a teacher.
to being a teacher.
Okay.
Then Mr. Saunier decided to pursue his master's degree.
Okay.
To make a long story short, this guy in Port Barre is now the principal of the school. So
crazy.
let's break it down. Mr. Saunier was custodian
Yeah.
of the small school in Port Barre,
Uh-huh.
and now he is the principal of the school. This is one of the best stories I've heard in years.
Yeah.
You know, we talk about some good things on the radio. We talk about some crazy things on the radio. But what about Mr. Saunier, who is in Port Barre, who went from the custodian of the school to actually being the principal of Port Barre Elementary? Joseph Saunier was in school back in the day, had to drop out of college to help his mom support his family.
Yeah.
We hear that a lot.
It happens all the time.
And I believe somewhere along the way, the guy may have called a technical foul on me once or twice. May have spiked the ball.
May have.
That's beside the point. The story is, this guy went from custodian to being the principal of the school. And as I put in the blog, and by the way, the story was covered on CBS Evening News.
Yeah.
You know how they always end the newscast with a feel-good story? It came from Port Barre, Louisiana.
There you go.
And you can see it now when you go to 1079ESI.com. This is one of the best stories you're going to hear all year long.
It really is.
And I know it's just February, but back in, when we get to November, October, December, we're going to look back and say, the story about Mr. Joseph Gabe Saunier in Port Barre was one of the best stories of the year. Go now and check it out at 1079ESI.com. And I always thought that his smile, his energy, even when coaches would be screaming at him, and I think he may still referee.
Oh, okay.
My sources tell me that he still does.
He's still out there.
He's still out there, still wearing the stripes. But even when coaches would be in his face like, it's a bad call, he would smile and be like, hang on, coach, you know?
It's going to be okay.
His enthusiasm was contagious and is contagious. And as they say in the CBS Evening News report, he's got the biggest smile in South Louisiana.
Yep.
Great story out of Port Barre. Go now to 1079ESI.com and check it out.
Hot 1079 traffic.